Are you expecting more viruses or fake viruses? Are you expecting more vaccines? Are you expecting more ways for them to get things inside of our body for this ultimate end game?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely, that's the plan, right? But there's 8 billion of us if we only bloody woke up. You see, first of all, they want as much of this stuff in the body as possible, because that is increasing all the time, the power of this interaction, this hive mind, this taking over human thinking. So yes, but here's another thing which I talk about in the reveal. If you are connecting a electromagnetic field coming from satellites and towers to the body, then that interaction can trigger the body, because you see, what people need to really understand is that we live in two worlds. There's the world of this global cult where the knowledge is vastly in advance of what's allowed among the population, and the global cult has created, not even infiltrated, has created the education system. It owns the global media, et cetera, et cetera. So the idea of that communication control is to keep the population in ignorance of what they know. And what they're doing is passing over through the upper levels of the inner core of this secret society network, advanced knowledge about the nature of reality, we'll maybe get into that, and about where the world's being taken. And it's being done in this isolated secret society network, so it's kept from the population. So they don't want the population to know what they're doing. And therefore you are always faced with this situation where when you uncover what they know and what they're doing and how they're doing it, to the population, it's fantastic. It's like, that's impossible. They can't do that. No, you've been told it's impossible. You've been led to believe it's impossible. They have a knowledge which they're using against you, which they're simply keeping from you. And so, how often over the years when I've said this is what's happening, people have said in great numbers, you're mad, you're crazy. Not because I am, funnily enough, but because what I've been saying is so fantastic about this, because the population has been kept in ignorance, massive ignorance of what's happening here. And so think of this in terms of that difference in knowledge. Through this electromagnetic cloud and the frequencies that can be played out through it, it's a medium. And the amplified effect of electromagnetism in the body, thanks to graphene oxide, you can send out frequencies through the cloud that trigger bodily reactions. It's not a virus, it's a frequency. And that frequency will generate, potentially, I'm talking potentially, this is a possibility, is certainly possible. You're sending out a frequency which the body will react to in a certain way. And we will call that a virus. We'll call that a new disease. We'll call it disease X. And it's all being done electrically, because you see, this is the thing, and I go into this in the reveal. We live in a reality that is basically electromagnetic and electrical. The body is electromagnetic and electrical. The brain processes information electrically. It communicates with the rest of the body. The rest of the body communicates with it electrically. So if you can intervene in the electrical balance of the body, you can create disharmony, dis-ease in the body electrical system, electromagnetic system. Symbolically, the press of a button, maybe more than symbolically. And so these are all ways that they can instigate an apparent, quote, pandemic that is not a genuine pandemic at all, but a manufactured one. And when you have the pandemic, very possibly through this electromagnetic interaction, then you say, we've got a vaccine. We've got a new vaccine. And more of this stuff goes in. More of this stuff goes in, more self-replication.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.